Take your workout outside with the Stamina Outdoor Fitness Bench. The Outdoor Fitness Bench is built of heavy-gauge steel and high-impact polystyrene boards with stainless security hardware to withstand outdoor environments. The Stamina Outdoor Fitness equipment is manufactured with paint designed to have excellent weatherability, with chip and corrosion resistance plus UV protection for excellent color retention. The Outdoor Fitness Bench is an affordable piece of equipment to help you get a total body workout. You can perform a multitude of exercises to tone your upper and lower body and build cardio endurance. Tone your arms, chest, abs, and back with push-ups, tricep dips, various abdominal exercises, and back hyperextensions. Build cardio endurance and strength in your lower body by performing step-ups, jump-ups, lunges, and squats with the bench. In addition to the tough construction of the equipment, it is also aesthetically pleasing and will fit into any natural space with no need for electricity. The Stamina Outdoor Fitness Bench is easy to assemble, disassemble, and requires little to no maintenance. A special tool is included for the product's special security hardware to help you assemble and disassemble your product, and will help to keep your outdoor equipment safe and secure in your outdoor setting. Outdoor fitness training is an effective way to lose weight, burn calories, and build strength. Studies show people who work out outside tend to work out for a longer period of time. Enjoy working out in your own backyard and get a great workout with the Stamina Outdoor Fitness Bench.